This is the basic components of a Trek alert system. You have your workstation in the middle. The white box is your transmitter, which can also be a repeater. You have two EFOBs to your right, the smaller units, which are personal carrying device, and then you have point and display units to your left. This is a screenshot of the preset messages that you're able to put in place ahead of time. This is our receivers in the standby mode. Now we're going to go ahead and send a message to the receivers. Now all the devices have been activated. We're going to send a message now to one pod and two EFOBs to show our zone capability in addressing. Go ahead.